Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, and this is gonna be another tutorial, of course. So I'm just gonna go straight ahead to the tutorial. I'm just gonna use the FaceShop Air Cotton makeup base in shade Mint. I'm gonna use this so I can color correct my pigmentation of my face, even though it's not super pigmented at this moment, but some area have more redness to it, so I'm just gonna color correct it with this product. And for the primer, I'm gonna use my Benefit the Professional primer. I'm just gonna apply this to my T-zone, especially for that area that gets oily. And for the foundation, I'm gonna mix my Maybelline New York Superstay 24 Hours Full Coverage Foundation in shade 35 or Golden Beige, also from Maybelline New York. Fit Me Mate+poreless foundation in shade Porcelain or 110. I'm mixing these two shades because the Superstay foundation one is kind of very dark for me and orangey, so I'm gonna mix it with this Fit Me foundation Porcelain, so I can get the shade right for my skin tone. And I'm gonna do my cream contour and using my LA Girl Pro.Conceal HD concealer in shade Beautiful and Bronze. I'm just gonna apply it with a stippling brush, small stippling brush. I'm gonna apply it where I want to and then buff it out, just blending it with the stippling brush. And then I'm gonna blend it with my damp Real Technique sponge to blend everything together. The first one is from Essence Stay All Day 16 Hour Concealer in shade Soft Beige 20, and the other one is Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer in 120. I'm gonna apply first the Maybelline one and then go with the Essence. Just gonna places where we usually conceal, and for the Essence one it's more lighter than the Maybelline one because I want some brightness there. And I'm gonna blend it with the sponge. And then I'm gonna set everything with my NYX Mineral set it and set it, don't fret it, matte finishing powder. I'm just gonna bake first and then I'm gonna buff the powder all over my face. And I did my eyebrow off camera, as you can see. And for eyelid base, I'm just gonna use MAC Select Cover Up Concealer in shade NW20. Place it to my lid and blend it with the brush. And then I'm gonna use my ColourPop My Little Pony eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna pick that shade to set my eyelids. And then I'm gonna pick this two shade from Beige Cosmetic Afternoon Rendezvous, if that is a eyeshadow palette. Then I'm gonna blend that to my crease. As it's in the title, it's gonna be a purple eye look again. I just love purple. It just, complements my eyes, especially if I'm wearing gray contact lenses. I really like it. And I'm just gonna pick that purple shades from Beige Cosmetic eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna blend that to my eyelid, just to the inner part and the outer part, and then also blending it to my lower lash line, so I can do everything together. I'm gonna do a halo look today, eye look. So yeah, I'm gonna pick this shade to even darken the purple shade that I put in the first. Just layering them up and blending them. I'm gonna take a fluffy brush to blend everything together. You're gonna do the same step to your lower lash line as you did to your upper lash. Put a concealer on the middle of my eyelid. Of course, it's a halo. Even though this is not necessarily, but I just want to do it, to pop up even more the shade I'm gonna put it. And I'm gonna blend. Don't forget to blend the sides of the concealer so there will be no harsh line later on. So I'm gonna pick this shade from my Lid Pony palette. I did apply it with a brush, but I think using your finger will be better for this step. Then blending it with my finger. I'm gonna pick this shimmery shade from Beige Cosmetic and also popping that to my center of my eyelid to make it pop even more. And then I'm gonna pick these two shades to even more darken the purple shades. I'm gonna use a pencil brush to tighten everything together. And then I'm gonna use my Essence Super Last Eyeliner in deep black. So I'm gonna do a small liner wing. And then for mascara, I'm gonna use my Essence Lash Princess Sculpted Volume Mascara. I'm gonna coat my lashes. And for my inner corner, I'm gonna use my Essence I Love Nude Baked Eyeshadow and Vanilla Sugar. I'm just gonna pop that to my inner corner using a pencil brush, blending it in, and I'm gonna use this for my lash off camera. And for bronzer, I'm gonna use my e.l.f. Bronzer and Blush palette in shade Fuji. I'm gonna pick the bronzer powder first, and then I'm gonna bronze my face even more. And then I'm gonna pick the blush one and pop that to my cheek. For the highlighter, I'm gonna use my Pretty by Flormar single eyeshadow in shade Bright Nude. I'm using a highlighter brush from e.l.f. and blending that to my cheekbones, to my upper cheekbones, and to my bridge of my nose, to my nose, cupid's bow, my forehead, also to my brow bone. And for the waterline, I'm gonna use my Essence Long Lasting Eyeliner in Miss Money Penny. Line my waterline. And for the lips, I'm gonna use my NYX Liquid Suede cream lipstick in shade Soft-Spoken. And yeah, that's the final look. Hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, getting inspired with it. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and turn on the notification bell so you can notify every time I upload a new tutorial. And yeah, bye.